growing right now, but users often face difficulties in finding one uniform app that provides them with all the features, like common UPI payments and one app that provides them with different charging stations and help them navigate the closest one. So we are here with the solution. This is our problem statement. Like they have to maintain multiple apps. They have to maintain a prepaid wallet. Long waiting times, poor route planning, and often inaccurate availability of charging. This often creates confusion among the users. So here we are with a solution. One charge that gives everything in just one app. Like the users can use one uniform payment. They don't have to maintain different apps. Like they can also earn rewards on the UPI payments, and it better helps them to plan the route. And then they can reserve their charging station and can prevent their time to be wasted. So our product features have like multi-network discovery, the universal QR scan, live availability, and route plan. A competitive analysis, there are many competitors, but they don't provide all the features in one app, like Adani and Mahindra. I have not mentioned all of them in this slide, but there are many, but they all have their different apps which contain different features. But this app has all of them together, which makes life easier. So this is our prototype flow. I'll show you the app. So we can just open the app, we can find the chargers, we can navigate it, and we can scan the QR code, and we can pay via UPI, and we can also earn the rewards. So this is the market opportunity. Most of the people who uses EV prefer using one app that gives everything in just one platform. Secondary research also shows us that EV adoption in India is accelerating rapidly across all segments, as government also initiates EV drive for unified and it needs a unified charging solution. So our plan is that we target all EV users in India, basically that's it right now. And then this time is urban public charging users, and as long as the metro cities, we target Mumbai. So this is a revenue model. We will earn from transaction commission, and then we also have brand partnerships that will also be one source of revenue.